Yo, so right now, I'm gonna work on growing this $123. So I'm gonna put this on like $5, 25, and 40, which probably don't even make no sense. But we're gonna do it like this. We're in a downtrend, all right. So automatically, I'm looking to sell off, and so I'm gonna start. I would click. I mean, I guess I can click it like this. I usually touch the screen, but I don't know if y'all gonna be able to see that. So I'm gonna wait. This is what I'm looking for, y'all. I'm waiting to this push up, and then I'm trying to sell off. It's on the M15, the rest on the M1. Don't really matter, but that's what I'm looking for. So I'm looking for something like that. And if that one don't go, like I said, I'm immediately getting in on a 25. 2, 1. Did I get that one? Yeah, I got it. Y'all see that? So that's what I'm looking for. A push up, sell off. Basically, one candlestick. Either way, I mean, you could do it either way. But that's how I'm gonna grow this thing. $5, $25. 25 don't go. Hit them with the 40. And we should be in the game. So this one got 8 minutes left on it, so we should be good. And I'm trying to wait for a good time to push. We got that. Okay. 1. Okay. See if we can sell off. 1. Got it. Y'all see that? Y'all see how this working? Oh, we got that big drop. That's what I needed over here. That's what I needed, that big drop, but I didn't catch it. I feel like it want to turn around. So I might just let it do its thing. All right, there we go. All right, we kind of jumping. But I do see we got rejection in here. Oh yeah, that's a good one. That's a good push. That's a good push. Okay. Ooh, might have caught him too late. Let's see. Ooh, hit him with the 40. Yeah, got it. Let's go. 63. Start over again. He pushing. We're gonna catch him. Got him. All right. Y'all see though? Y'all see how this works? So, I mean, you could do it however you want to, but it's consistent, especially on the Forex pairs. The reason why I'm doing it on here, because there's no manipulation. So if I mess up and mess this account up, it ain't no manipulation, so I can't really be mad. That was just bad entries on my point. You know what I'm saying? But do you see all the rejection in here and why it's rejecting off like that? This is the M1, this is the M15, so that's why they look different. But same pair. But whenever you trade in OTC, it can be manipulated. So just keep that in mind. Not saying you can't trade it, but when you're doing something like this, I would rather have no manipulation. Because usually, like I said, if I mess up, I'm not even mad, honestly. Because it's like, it ain't being manipulated. It's just I had bad entries. So I got to come back on, the next ones and try to eat. But I got 6 minutes left. All signs are pointing to it trying to drop. It's so choppy in here that I'm trying to catch every little bounce that I can. So that's kind of what I'm on right now. I need one more little push if it's gonna push up. And one thing too, you don't want to catch it too late at the bottom, because it'll mess you up. So I'm trying to see what we're gonna do. Patience, y'all, patience. I'm gonna wait on it. Also, make sure your time stays 5 seconds. Sometimes if you refresh or something on a Forex pair, it'll go to 1 minute. So you always want to make sure you're checking that for sure. Because if you don't, it'll get ugly. And they ain't what you want. You know what I'm saying? So, man, we stagnant. But I'm trying not to just hop in. But see, this is a zone right here. You see all these wicks? It's just bouncing in and out of this zone. So eventually, it's gonna try to break out. I be trying to catch it early, but he look like he's trying to make that final push. He might get stuck. Let's see. Yeah, got stuck, so rejected. I'm gonna go ahead and sell here. See if we can get something out of it. Got it. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Almost to the 200 mark. Sometimes you gotta do it like that. Like I said, all you waiting for it to do is push up a little bit, hop in on the sell. And you basically want to do it at support and resistance or like rejection. Anytime you start seeing the zone, they got a bunch of wicks, that's usually the best time to do it. He looked like he might be trying to break out. He got a little bit more before he break out. So we'll see. A little bit more before you break out. Another rule of thumb, you want to catch it. You want to catch it when the candle's green. You want to sell off. Candle's red. You want to try to buy, but you want to catch it at at the bounces. So candle green, I usually try to sell off. I don't know how far it's gonna push up. If it's gonna push up again, but we'll see. He trying to break through there. He trying. I'm gonna just sell here. Let me see. Let's see if we gonna go back. Yeah, we got it. Let's go. Let's go, man. That was perfect. Ooh, he about to break out. It's so hard for me to sell right here because I don't know if it's gonna reject again. I'm gonna wait. He might shoot down. He look like he want to though. We got that second candle. I know he want to, but see stuff like that happen, so you just never know. That's why I be trying to take my time with it, because he might reject and want to go back up. But when that type of stuff happens, you want to stay out the market. You don't want to get in. You don't want to rush the trade. Like I said, you got to take your time with it. And yeah, but this, if you notice the pattern of this one, he usually break through. Like I said, he come to the bottom of the candle, try to come back up through here, and then try to come back down. So we'll see how this play out towards the end. But everything is precise, y'all. I'm just taking my time with this thing. You know what I'm saying? All these little trades, taking my time with it. Trying to hit that 200 mark. Now he trying to go back this way. So let's see. We getting back into the zone, cause this another zone right here. So he pushing now. So now here's another zone if y'all can't see it. And all it's doing is the exact same thing over and over. Trying to reject. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and, it's kind of tough. Cause he did make a strong push. But like I said, while it's, I should have got in. I be hesitating, y'all, I ain't gonna lie. Boy, your boy be hesitating. Just trying to make sure, you know what I'm saying? Everything is going how it's supposed to. Cause one wrong move could end you. I got in too early. Too early. Oh, might have caught him perfect. Let's see. Got it. Money bags. Let me get that. 211. Stop playing with me in these markets. All right. So, guys, yeah, that's how you do. That's how, I'll be trading smaller accounts on 5 seconds. You can do the same thing. Like I said, you can grow that thing, man. Y'all see it. Missed a couple, you got a few in a row, little stuff like that. You can do the same thing. You know what I'm saying? So you play around with it long enough, you'll get it. You know what I'm saying? I tell people, don't give up on it. Play the game right. You know what I'm saying? Risk management. Don't bet your whole account. And yeah, man. Unless you know what you're doing. Like, you could do it, but you gotta know what you're doing. But that's how you trade it. I will see y'all in another video, Lord willing. Let's go. Going to different locations. How they got one, I need some direction. Me and Vinci go up every session. Cook it up, yeah, it's no pressure. Yeah, you know how we do it, we all in. We can slow up and you never get.